In this short video, we are going to see how ChatGPT can help us analyze some qualitative data that was collected from an amazing group of high school educators. This represents two open questions that students completed, or teachers rather, completed on a Google survey form. I've copied it and now I'm going to switch over to the ChatGPT interface. I'm going to go ahead and type in the prompt what I want ChatGPT to do. So I've typed in to analyze the following data, looking for key trends and ideals. And I'm going to paste in the data and hit return. And so here is the data that was copied in. And then in the output, we should begin to see what ChatGPT provided. And when you get to the bottom, you can see some of the key ideals that the educators provided: cheated and lack of original thought, authenticity and academic integrity, dependency on AI, impact on learning loss, ethical and legal considerations, and technology integration and teaching methods. And so it did that in just a matter of seconds. And so I would encourage you to think about how you could use generative AI to help analyze data. But also, I do need to remind you that there is also the responsibility that you would independently verify and just make sure that ChatGPT or any generative AI did what it was supposed to, and use that accordingly with the data as you spot check it.